Hi, I'm Janice Corrales from Corrales Law Group, and today we're going to talk a little bit about ourselves because people want to know who we are and who are the people giving this information. So I'm Janice Corrales, and I'm one of the founding attorneys at Corrales Law Group along with my brother Peter Corrales. We started this family-based law firm to help people and have a positive impact on our community. I'm the daughter of two immigrant parents from Cuba, and my whole family is made of immigrants, and I grew up in immigrant communities. Spanish is actually my first language, and I learned English later on in life. I've always been very service oriented. I've always done a lot of community service, and I wanted to have a positive impact on the world. I thought being a lawyer would be the way to do that, so I studied really hard, and I was the first person in my family to graduate from high school. And then I studied really hard in college and applied to law schools, and was very fortunate to get into Harvard Law School. At Harvard, I had the opportunity to study human rights, which is very dear to my heart. It's my passion. And I was able to do work in Kenya. I was able to also help in Hurricane Katrina victims after the hurricane because I was in law school at that time, and I was able to provide free legal work. After law school, I had the opportunity to choose any job I wanted, and at that time I did entertainment law for a little bit for corporate law firms, and I didn't find that as meaningful. It wasn't my passion. So after that, I went into human rights again, and in LA, immigration law is a way to be able to practice human rights. And so we have this law firm because I saw a lot of things I didn't like while doing immigration work. A lot of people were being taken advantage of, since it's one of the most vulnerable sectors in the community, being that people think they won't be reported if they take advantage of people, because if they're undocumented, they're scared to report people a lot of the times. So my brother and I decided to start a law firm to change that and to change a lot of practices, to be very accessible to clients, to be honest, and to help people. And now I'm able to do asylums, where I help people from other countries who are in very negative situations. I'm able to help trafficking victims, victims of domestic violence, sexual assault victims. I'm able to help people who are in detention centers and are scared and in horrible conditions. I'm able to help families stay united when they're being deported, and I'm able to be there for them and be in court and help them explain everything along the way, so they're not kept in the dark as to what's happening. We also do a lot of grassroots work. You can find us on weekends spreading information. We do these videos to help people have information about what's going on so that they're not taken advantage of. And we do a lot of pro bono work as well. So that's who we are, and that's who I am.